Welcome to my channel, and now tips and tricks for spacers. I hope it is the right expression for it. And now you are probably wondering, what's that now? Yeah, I'll try to explain it. I hope my English is good enough to explain it because, as you know, I'm not a native speaker and I'll try my best. I bought the set with a small bag in an online shop. Included are these 4 tools and a small manual. So far, I've always made the book binding with the book spine with a sense of proportion. That worked too. But there are a few things to note about the spacing in order for album opening and closing to work well. These tools will help with that. Now I'm showing a corner tool that I made myself with my plotter. This idea does not come from me, a hobbyist, a crafter showed how to do it on YouTube. Of course, you don't have to buy the plastic part, but it is included in the set, and my cardboard part is getting a little old. I will show later how this works. I've always loved using it for my journals. I put it aside for a moment. This is a simply ruler with a right angle. I've been thinking about using it in the stamping body, perhaps for aligning the stamps. I don't know if it works, but perhaps I will try it. Yeah, and now you need this if you want to bind books, junk journals or albums yourself. It is a do-it-yourself thing, and if you like it, then it's perhaps something for you. You have usually 2 equal parts and a middle part. I have already strengthened the middle part. I want to use it as a cover later in another video for junk journal. This is really handy. You need the T-piece to align the sides. Then you have the sides at the same height in the upper area, and you also determine the distance between the front cover and the middle piece. This distance is very important. If the distance is measured too narrow, you will not be able to fold the pages. The album does not open and close well. I hope that makes sense. I hope you understand what I mean. This piece is a huge help in getting the spacing right. With some experience, you can also do it with a sense of proportion, but I find the part really practical. The second piece can be placed in the next gap, but I would first stick the left side onto fabric, designer paper or something similar, determine the distance and stick on the next piece. When I would place the T-piece again in the second column, to me this makes more sense if I want to align the top spacings. If everything is cut correctly, the lower distances will also fit and everything is right measured and placed. Actually, I wanted to make these tools myself, but when I saw the pieces together in the online store, the online shop, and then I thought to myself, when I have everything together and can even keep it in my pocket, I like that very much. It was the right decision, I think. So now I show the corner tool. Let's say we've glued the cardboard on the designer paper, and now we want to do something with our corners. Then we need the tool. Now I show you what I mean. You need a little bit more space in the corner to hide the cardboard. And yeah, you can see it that I can use this tool now. And of course you can measure 2 millimeters and cut it away, but this tool is more precisely. Now you can see what I mean. You hold the tool in this corner and you have now the cut line and also the distance of the right side and the top side. The advantage of the turquoise tool is that you can also mark the distances for the overhang on the right and top side. My homemade tool works the same way, however I can only define the corner itself here, not the right and top side. I hope it is understandable what I mean. In my opinion, the turquoise tool makes more sense and is more versatile. If it's just around the corner to determine the 1 or 2 millimeters, the handmade tool is perfect. If you want more, the other tool might be a bit better. But I have worked very long and very well with my handmade part as well. I like these tools in the set and I like the bag also. I wanted to show you these tools. Maybe this is something for you too. Maybe you haven't seen anything like this, or you didn't know why you need it or what to do with it. I hope I could help a little bit with my video, and perhaps it is an inspiration for you, and perhaps you want to make it on your own. You can do what you want, and you can also use everything you have in your craft room, and you must not use these tools. Maybe you don't even need it because you prefer a different way of binding your album. Sometimes I also use boxes or packaging, so the bindings and spines of the books are already given. So yeah, I really must not use this tool. But now I show you my signatures, and I want to make an album for my signatures, and yeah, now you can see this is my main construction, and I will make another video and I show you how I make the cover and also the binding, and of course everything I make with my album I will show you as well. I hope I was able to show you some useful tips and tricks. I would be happy if you like the video or write a small comment. My crafter's heart would be very happy. It would also be great, of course, if you subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye!